Aparna, has your sas handed over everything to the bahus?
Yes, I was thinking about this when I got married. My Sasuma told me to give my husband hand into my hand and said, "I'm handing over everything to you." My everything to you. जब मैं शादी हुई तो मेरी सासू माँ ने मेरे हस्बैंड का हाथ मेरे हाथ में रखते हुए क्या कहा कि मैं अपना सब कुछ तुमको सौंप रही हूँ. Okay, Poonam, do you hand over मतलब sometime do you hand over something to your helping hands?
Yes, Aparna. Sometime I hand over to my helping hands.
क्या आप कुछ समय कभी कभी कुछ चीजें अपने सर्वेंट को हैंड ओवर करती हैं, सौंपती हैं? कोई आया?
हाँ हाँ अपर्णा, मैं कभी कभी अपने सर्वेंट्स को कुछ कुछ काम सौंप देती हूँ. Sarika, would I ask to Sarika?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sarika, um, do you hand over some um, house chores works to your son?
Yeah, I hand over some my household chores to my son.
Two is correct preposition. Poonam used in.
Okay. Two. सारिका, क्या आप अपने बेटे को कुछ घर के काम कुछ सौंपती हैं?
हाँ भाभी, मैं अपने बेटे को यकीनन घर के कुछ काम सौंपती हूँ. अपर्णा दी, have you handed over some responsibilities uh, regarding regarding to the studies to Jiaji regarding to Chimu's studies? जी,
Regarding, okay, correct.
regarding Chimu's studies to Jiaji.
Yes, Sarika. Because you know that I'm weak in maths and science, so I handed over some responsibility to my husband regarding Chimu's study. What should be the verb for Hafna? Poonam?
Um, the word for Hafna should be breathless.
Ask her.
Okay. Sarika, what should be the word for Hafna?
Bhabhi, the verb for Hafna, I don't know.
Ask me.
Sir, what should be the verb for Hafna?
Guys, if you watch English movies, so many times it comes on the screen, subtitle. The word for Hafna is paint. Have you heard?
Paint.
Uh,
Paint. Acha, painted. What should be the verb? Second form, no? Painted. The second form of
what
paint
should be
should
the
be
second form of paint upon?
the second form of paint should be painted. What should be the third form of paint, Poonam?
The third form of paint should be painted.
Sarika, why is the dog painting?
Sir, he is painting because he is running so fast. He was running so fast.
डॉग कुत्ता हाफ क्यों रहा है?
सर वो हाफ इसलिए रहा है क्योंकि वो बहुत तेज दौड़ रहा था. Should I ask to another one? Na? Okay. Do you paint whenever you do yoga or pranayam?
To whom are you asking? Poonam or I?
नहीं, दीदी दीदी.
अच्छा.
You are my
Uh,
didi and she is my bhabhi.
अच्छा. Poonam bhabhi abhi. Okay. Nice to
हाँ,
meet you, Poonam
पूनम
bhabhi.
भाभी ना, पूनम भाभी तो बोलते हैं उनको.
अच्छा, नहीं मालूम था मुझे. चलो ठीक है. हाँ, I painted when I. What did you ask? I forgotten. I have forgotten.
Do yoga or pranayam?
That's why I asked you because she used to do this, na, yoga and pran. No, actually, I don't paint during yoga and pranayam. Why did you paint when you staring up, Poonam?
No, I did not paint actually, Aparna.
आप जब सीढ़ियाँ चढ़ रही थी तो क्यों
अच्छा.
काफी?
I'm overweighted na, Aparna. That's why I was painting during study. Sir, why do people paint who are suffering from corona?
Yes, actually, you know, correct. Corona affects directly on your lungs, and the breathing system belongs to lungs. So, if the lungs are weak, definitely your breathing is weak. That's why Corona people faint whenever they get the attack of Corona. Hindi is not required. पूनम, अभी पिछले कुछ दिनों से क्लास की रेगुलरिटी बनाने के लिए हम कुछ ऐसी वर्ब दे रहे हैं. आई एम प्रोवाइडिंग सम वर्ब एंड आई एम गिविंग सम different kind of sentences which are not made directly by the process. So here is one of the sentence. Can anybody directly try to make it?
चलो एक और चक्कर लगाते हैं. Sir, this sentence belongs to order or request.
This sentence belongs to. अच्छा.
No, you speak.
And ये pattern. Let's pattern.
एक्चुअली हमने बिना प्रोसेस से बनाने के लिए इसलिए बोला कि उसमें वो सारी चीजें फॉलो होंगी ही नहीं. तो ऐसे डायरेक्टली वट एवर इज कमिंग इन योर माइंड यू कैन डायरेक्टली स्पीक.
Let's do one more round. Yeah,
Let's ride one more round. Huh?
Let's take one. Let's take one. Let's make. Pass. Let's make one more pass.
Sarika, did you make another pass?
Yes, sir. I made another pass.
So how many passes did you make totally?
Sir, I made a pass around. I made around 5 pass.
हाँ, करेक्ट. तो कुल मिलाकर कितने चक्कर लगाए तुमने?
सर कुल मिला के मैंने 5 चक्कर लगाए.
Ask.
जी. अपर्णा दी, how many नहीं,
अपने मन से भी पूछ सकते हो, जरूरी नहीं है जिस टेंस में हमने पूछा उसे।
जी जी जी। दी कैन यू मेक अ पास with GAG around 10,000 steps at a same time?
Can you make a pass? Yes, I can.
नहीं,
I
my
can
question is wrong.
something is wrong. I am
Something is wrong. Okay, we ask again to this in a
yes, I can make a pass. Okay. You ask me-
क्या आप चक्कर में
I can make any pass with my on bicycle.
अच्छा, बिना नहीं लगाओगे आप, कैसे
आज
लगाओगे?
भी
नहीं, इसमें कोई
Okay, Poonam, during occasion of your G, but so how many uh, make how many passes do you make in a day? How many passes do you make? To
From my
the
house
Swami?
there, one time, one pass I from a month, from a month day I passed to every day I make pass to our Guruji's place.
गुरु जी के के समय आने के समय आयोजन के समय वहां का कितने चक्कर लगाती थी दिन में?
सारिका, क्योंकि मेरे घर, सॉरी अपर्णा, क्योंकि मेरे घर से बहुत दूर है, इसलिए मैं रोज एक ही बार जाती थी। वहां पर ही बैठती थी पूरा दिन।
अच्छा।
टिल इवनिंग आए।
What a dedication, भाभी.
So nice. It's your go.
Sir, let's make one. Um, how many passes should we make every day for our healthy life?
Well, we should do it according to our stamina and weight.
सर, हमें हेल्दी लाइफ जीने के लिए रोज कितने चक्कर लगाना चाहिए?
वेल, इसे हमें अपने स्टेमिना के और अपने वेट के अनुसार करना चाहिए। देयर इज वन मोर सेंटेंस। हाँ कर दो मैं।
Should I?
यस प्लीज।
जी, हाँ कर दो ना. This sentence also belong to order or request. Please say yes.
Very nice. Aparna, how would you make this sentence?
Do it, please. I need.
and Poonam.
हाँ कर दो ना. Please give me an nod.
Node ना? हाँ.
Nod. Node or nod?
Nod.
Nod.
You can check. Google is taking nod or node.
Not
Nod.
ले रहा हूँ.
Node.
It's taking not.
No, earlier
Nod.
it was Nod. Nod. Nod.
There was a serial named
Node.
Noddy.
जी, node.
Noddy.
Noddy. Yes, sir. I
Noddy.
I used to watch the Noddy, and it was really very nice cartoon. And Rudraksh was too young, na? So we used to watch Noddy. आ गया Noddy चलाने अपनी कार.
Chiu also. Noddy, he's saying.
वो किसी को मना नहीं करता था, हर किसी के काम को कर देता था. That's why his name was Noddy.
अच्छा.
और
But
बहुत
Google is
प्यारा
taking Noddy.
कैरेक्टर था, बहुत ही. और एनिमेशन भी बहुत अच्छा था, हमको खुद बहुत पसंद था.
Noddy. हाँ अभी सही लिया. Noddy.
Nod. Nod. Google, please take nod. Google, give me a nod, please. Not. Google is not giving
Noddy,
me.
he's taking Noddy, but
Uh,
not taking nod.
okay. Poonam, did he give you a nod?
Yes, sir. Uh, I gave a nod. No, give. Did you?
Aparna,
Sir,
will you answer?
sir, sorry.
Yes.
Come again.
हाँ.
Okay. Did he give you a nod?
Uh, no, sir. You did not give me a nod.
Sarika, answer. Network is little bit disturbed.
Yes, sir, he
ये
gave me a nod.
No, network is correct. Poonam's network is creating problem. She's not getting. हाँ, सारिका, क्या उसने हाँ कर दी?
जी सर, उसने हाँ कर दी. उसने मुझे हाँ कर दी.
Your pictures, you guys are not visible, means the network is creating a problem. Everybody's network is creating a problem. Okay, Sarika, you asked to Aparna. Aparna will ask Poonam.
जी. Aparna di, do you give me a nod everything to Chimu?
Yes, Sarika, I give you a nod for Chimu.
नहीं.
I give you everything.
I
Sentence was little wrong. Come again.
जी. Di, do you? Sir, nod is already verb na, so I have to use directly na. अच्छा. Do you give a nod to Chimu for everything?
Yes. Hello. Yes, Sarika, I give you a nod. Are I give you a nod.
Should I repeat?
Actually, I'm not getting the question.
So should I repeat na?
Repeat your sentence and complete the process.
Is your CC on?
Yeah, my CC is on.
Okay, I am repeating my question. Do you give a nod to Chimu for everything.
Acha, now I got it. Yes, I give a nod to Chimu for everything. Okay. Uh, Poonam, are you giving her a nod? Are you giving yeah, her a nod?
Yes, Aparna, I am giving her a nod.
क्या आप उसको हाँ कर रहे हो nowadays?
हाँ अपर्णा, मैं उसे आजकल हाँ कर रही हूँ. Sir, should we give children a nod for everything?
No, never. We should be very careful about giving a nod to the children, otherwise, they become naughty and not naughty, they become naughty.
Because Sarika's question was about Chimu, na? She was asking her, and Aparna says yes. That's why I repeat the question for Aparna.
Hmm.
And it is today's last sentence, ladies. क्या तुम बिना कुछ करे जीत जाओगे?
This sentence belongs to future simple.
Correct.
It is an inverted sentence.
Correct.
Firstly, I will take the WH word and the WH word and name. And firstly, I will take the helping verb, and the helping verb is will. Then I will take the subject, and the subject is you. Will you? Then I will take the first form of the verb, and the first form of the verb is conquered. Win.
Both are correct.
Win is a verb. Win. Acha, हाँ, win 1-1. Yes. So, क्या? अच्छा. Are you gonna win? Without hands down. Are you gonna win? Hands down. Wow.
No, I'm not gonna win hands down. I'll have to do a lot to win. Complete the process.
क्या आप बिना कुछ करे जीत जाएंगे?
नहीं, मैं बिना कुछ किए नहीं जीतूंगा, मुझे बहुत कुछ करना होगा. Sarika, are you gonna win? Hands down.
No, sir, not at all. Not at all. I'm not gonna win hands down.
क्या आप बिना कुछ किए जीत जाएंगे?
नहीं सर, कदापि नहीं. मैं बिना कुछ किए नहीं जीतूंगी. I have to do very hard work to win this. Aparna di,
Poonam.
जी. Same question, sir.
You can change. हम एक्चुअली गोना की प्रैक्टिस बहुत दिनों से हुई नहीं थी इसलिए.
जी. Poonam bhabi, are you gonna win hands down?
No, Sarika. I'm not gonna win hands down. Never.
भाभी, क्या आप बिना कुछ किए जीत जाएंगी?
नहीं सारिका, मैं बिना कुछ किए बिल्कुल नहीं जीत पाऊंगी. जीत जाऊंगी, कभी भी नहीं. Should I ask to Aparna?
Yes, ask Aparna.
Uh, Aparna, what do you say? People gonna win hands down?
Are people,
Are gonna win?
are
Win hands
people,
down? Are
are
people
people
gonna
gonna win?
win hands down?
No, Poonam, people are not gonna win hands down. They have to do something. Complete the process.
Should we conclude? Poonam, nowadays we are taking near about 1 hour of session, and let's see what happens tomorrow. We will change accordingly. But you can carry on talking. I'm taking your leave. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
God
Thank
bless
you,
you.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
I'm also leaving. Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye. Chalo,
Poonam, do
bye.
you want anything else? Any
Uh,
help?
yes, Aparna. From where do you matlab, purchase buy the whiteboard?
I bought yeah, sticker, paper whiteboard from
Paper.
online.
Okay.
Online I bought it,
Hmm.
but the purpose of buying this, matlab I'm taking the drawing classes, na, so purposely I bought it. But uh, buy any whiteboard, simple whiteboard.
Actually, I have one blackboard. That
Ah, so it will
roll,
do. It will do. Yes,
and I
yes.
have also so
Ah, it will
yeah,
do. Ah, it will
okay
do.
na, because
Definitely.
I had done B.Ed na, that time I had bought that
Ah,
blackboard.
ah, ah. Ah,
So
we
I
can use it.
है ना.
Yes, yes.
And
It
what
is
about
quite
tripod?
well.
And what about tripod?
Tripod. Tripod. Actually, I'm having a one stand, like a tripod. So I did not buy tripod. I can keep the stand with the table. So if you have any stand, mobile stand, so you can keep on that stool and any boxes to show your board.
Okay, to show the board, we need like
Huh.
that
Huh,
tripod,
just
na?
like Sir do, na?
Okay,
Does just like Sir does, then we have to do like this. We have to
so
show ourselves and board, and then you
okay,
can see. You can do whatever you want.
okay,
It's up to you, huh? If you
okay.
required any tripod, so you can buy. It
Hmm.
is usually we can use in making YouTube videos and making photos and videos. After a class, you can use it.
Okay. And actually, tenses. I had completed tenses in class, but some more sentences had done in classes, na, and when I was
Huh.
absent. So, will you, mother, WhatsApp me all that sentences?
Huh, I will forward you.
Hmm.
Sarika has given some sentences, so I will forward you.
Okay.
But let me know the whatever have you done.
Uh, I I left the class last. I had done class last on 30th of September. From 1st October, I had not joined.
Okay. Because there are so many chapters now, one by one, sir has given all the chapters sentences. So we have to
You
recall often, huh?
note the
All that.
date on every class, or you write every.
Huh, I did not mention a date on
Okay.
sentences. Huh.
Okay.
Because one by one he has given, na.
Hmm.
But
So I can tell last
huh,
sentence of
I have
any
some
chapter.
sentences like sir has given today. I have some sentences like this. So I will give you. So this sentence on our chapters fulfill on new things. So you can write it. I will send you.
Okay.
Huh.
Okay. And I will also watch some videos, na, so then it will also help me, na?
So,
Videos.
do you have no videos? So you can right. You can take help from that.
Okay.
Okay. Or I will give you.
Okay.
Okay. Bye
Okay.
bye.
Bye.
Nice to see you once again.
Same
Keep
here.
coming.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.